Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to be looking at designing enclosures for monkeys. So you have a lot of creativity in this homework, but what I want you to remember is that the sides, this is all going to be used for your walls. So we're not actually going to be using that space. We're going to be using all of this space. But with that being said, it'll be good if we can number our blocks. Now, it can get confusing, but if you bear with me, you will be able to read these coordinate blocks. Do 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. So what I want is maybe, let's have a patch of flowers right here. It's going to be a patch of flowers. And let's also have some water here. So all of this will be water. Like so. And maybe I want a tree here and here. Okay, and that's all I want. That's all I want in my enclosure. So let's take a look and see how we can do this. Let's do the water first because it's quite easy. So we'll say block blue. And we're going to read this. So it goes from the 3, 3. Remember, this is the X, this is the Y. So we're going to go from 3 to 8, because it goes from 3 here to 8, like so. And then 3 to 4 here. And then from the other side, we'll do 3 to 4. So your code should say something like from 3, 8, 0, 0, 3, 4. That's what your code should say, something like this. So even though it can look really complicated with these numbers all the way here, it's actually not. It's actually quite easy. Okay, good. So let's take a look at the next one, which is going to be the tree. Trees are even easier. Well, why is it easy? Because, well, all we're doing is putting it in one place. So this is 6, 8. So it's going to be from 6, 6 to 8, 8. 6, 6 to 8, 8. I apologize if that's really... There we go. 6, or rather 6, 6. 0, 0, 8, 8. There we go. And then the next one is a red one, which again is going to be from 9, well, from 9, 9 to 3, 7. Okay, that makes sense. So we'll do from 9, 9 to 3, 7. 9, 9 to 3, 7, and this will be 0, 0. Now, that should be it. That's pretty easy, right? So all you want to do is actually forget about these numbers, but these are here because they're your wall. So I'll put them in anyway, or maybe you can just draw a line like this. If it's easier for you, that'll help you. Right, and then based off this, you can draw in your blocks. Now I want you to do the same thing for a sheep enclosure, and then one here for any animal or mythical being, extinct creature like a dinosaur, a unicorn, or a griffin, anything you want, right? And use your imagination. So that should be it. So pretty easy. The difficult part here is reading the coordinates, right? So I would read the X coordinate first, which is going this way, and then the Y, which is going this way. So the first column is the X, and the last column is going to be the Y. So here, X, Y, right? And again, this one, don't worry about this, okay? This is, technically this is actually Y in reality, but we're not going to call it Y. We're going to call it Z. Yeah, but don't worry about Y that's Z right now. It's a bit complicated. So yeah, X and Y right here. And then technically this is Z, but again, don't worry about this. So this will always be 0, apart from the water, which will be -1 to -1, right? So actually, yeah, this should be -1 here. Let's correct that. -1 to -1. There we go. Perfect. So that should be pretty clear. And I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Goodbye.